bag that is full of clothes from BelleLily.com. It is a fun boutique that is full of super cute clothes. So I'm so excited to try these on and hope that they fit. So let's open up our bag. So we are going to try all of these on, if I can get them out of the bag. How fun are these? I did get all of these clothes in exchange for this review, but that also means that I have a great coupon code to share with you. So if you go to BelleLily, BelleLily.com and enter in the code Katie30, Katie 30, you will get 30% off. So here are the shorts, and I went off of their sizing. For everything I purchased, I measured myself and checked their sizing guide, and then that is the size that I went with. And these are 2X. Now normally in pants I'm a large and top I'm a medium, but on their website I had to size up for most things. So I think the shorts are a bit big, but I'm also hoping that they will shrink just a smidgen because they're jeans in the wash. But I mean, they're not too big. Here is the next shirt, and I could even do like a cute little tuck with my shorts. Isn't that cute? Here's another shirt, and this shirt is like it's very lacy through here, but then you can also almost see through the shirt as well, but not so much that, I mean, my bra is still fine under there, but this is super cute. This is a large, and I think this one fits me perfectly. Oh, that's cute. I like that a lot. Now, I also got a pair of shoes. I have to have arch support because I'm old. So these sandals have arch support, so I'm so excited. So I'm going to try these on. And here are my shoes. Hopefully you can see them. I can definitely feel the arch support, which is great. They are a smidgen big, and I ordered 8s, which is what I usually wear. So I would say you could even size down on these a smidgen if you wanted, but they're super cute. Then I've got this one. This one's fun, kind of like an 80s vibe. Now this is not stitched together. It is just the pattern on the fabric. Fabric is super soft and it's really cute. And I am wearing a black bra underneath, and you really can't see it through that white strip. I mean, you can kind of see it, but not enough where it would bother me. So super cute. Now this one is a little wrinkly from being in the package, but I love how loose and flowy it is. Isn't that cute? Now, can you see my black bra through it? You kind of can. So maybe just wear a nude bra and you would be fine. These are also cute. I love these. And then we have this one with fun little peekaboo sleeves. You can see my tattoo. Look at how cute that is. Perfect sizing again with the large. And I love how cute these are. You guys, all of these pieces are turning out so cute. I love them all. We have this cute little black number. This is like a rayon. Has the little buttons. Love classic black, and that is super cute. Sized perfectly again. So I'm glad I measured. Make sure you measure. And we've got this cute top. I really like it. Super cute. Again, really soft fabric, not see-through at all. And we have this tank top. Now, of course, you can see my bra strap right there because I'm not wearing a halter type bra. But isn't that cute? I love the ombre of it. And it is super cute. I way like this tank top. And this one, I was really nervous about this little jean overall dress, but it is so cute. Now in this one, I ordered an extra large, and this one, the straps on it are kind of weird. I think I need to tighten this side up a little bit more, but it's just like this little raw piece. So I might like find that perfect size and go and like sew that strip in, just so I don't get that. But it is super cute. I was a little worried that I was too old to pull this off. I don't know. What do you think? I think it's cute. And then I grabbed a couple dresses. This one's really cute. Again, really soft fabric. And this one has an empire waist, which I like. I don't like things super tight around my middle because I have a pooch. So, but that's really cute. We have this one. This one's really cute. It is sheer. You can see my black undies through it, so maybe not wear black underwear with it. But it is super cute. I love the flutter sleeves, and it just fits me really, really well. I like this one a lot as well. Now, I should say with the dresses, I got them all in an extra large, and those have all been fitting me really well. And then this is my last dress. This one is also an extra large. I think I could have done the large on this one just because the armholes are a little big and to make it a little bit more form-fitting. But that is cute. I love the ruffles because they hide my rolls. So go to BelleLily, again, BelleLily.com. and enter in that code Katie30, K-A-T-I-E 30, and get 30% off your order. You guys, their clothes are so cute. And they also have swimsuits and accessories and so many awesome things that are just super cute. So go get some BelleLily because you deserve it.